How to delete Instagram post. Let's get started. In case you are new to Instagram and you have no idea how to delete post on Instagram, make sure to watch this video till the end. Launch your Instagram. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the profile page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the profile page, here you will find all of your posts. Open any of the posts that you want to delete. After you open it, at the top right corner, you're gonna find three dots. Click on that. Different options will appear. Click on the option Delete. You can restore this post for the next 30 days from your account settings. After that, it will be permanently deleted. All Reels posts and stories using all or part of this post will also be deleted. If you restore your post, these will also be restored. Click on Delete. And just with that, you have deleted the post. So this way you can easily delete a post on Instagram. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.